If you've been looking into affiliate marketing, you've probably noticed something frustrating. Everyone seems to be saying something different. One expert swears by email marketing, another says it's dead. One tells you to focus on TikTok, another says blog content is king. So how do you cut through the noise and figure out who's actually telling the truth? Today I'm breaking down 5 foolproof ways to identify legitimate affiliate marketing experts from the fake gurus trying to sell you dreams. First, follow the money trail. A real expert makes significant income from actually doing affiliate marketing, not just from selling courses about affiliate marketing. When someone claims to be an expert, ask yourself, are they showing proof of affiliate commissions or just flashing lifestyle photos? Real experts will show screenshots of affiliate dashboards, not just their course sales. Second, look for depth of knowledge. Legitimate experts understand the nuances of different affiliate networks, commission structures, and promotional strategies. When they talk, they get into specifics about things like cookie duration, attribution models, and conversion optimization. Fake gurus stick to vague motivational talk without actionable details. Third, check their experience timeline. The affiliate marketing landscape changes constantly. Someone who's been consistently successful for years has adapted through algorithm changes, market shifts, and industry evolutions. They'll acknowledge that what worked in 2020 might not work today, while fake experts often recycle outdated tactics. Fourth, research their reputation beyond their own ecosystem. What do people say about them in places they don't control? Check Reddit threads, industry forums, or unsponsored review sites. A truly valuable expert will have genuine followers who praise their strategies unprompted. Fifth and finally, test their strategies with small investments first. Allocate a modest budget to implement their core teachings. Real strategies produce measurable results, even if small at first. If you see zero traction after proper implementation, that's a red flag. One bonus tip: legitimate experts acknowledge the challenges. Anyone promising overnight riches or passive income with no work is not being truthful. The real ones talk about testing, optimizing, and building sustainable systems over time. Remember, even genuine experts might disagree on specific approaches because different methods work in different niches or with different skill sets. The key is finding someone whose strategy aligns with your resources and goals. If you're tired of the affiliate marketing confusion, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I break down proven strategies without the hype, showing real results, real challenges, and real solutions. Drop a comment with your biggest affiliate marketing confusion, and I'll address it in an upcoming video. Until next time, focus on value first, commissions second. Subscribe to Affiliate Talk for more affiliate marketing, truth, tips, advice, and myths.